A biker from Poland was speeding and made a very risky move right as an intersection was coming up. As the car began turning left, the biker tried to pass on the left at the same time, going straight, and the result was a crash. Overtaking near intersections is one of the most dangerous moves you can make. Drivers may turn unexpectedly, and your options to react are limited. Always wait until you're well past the intersection and in a legal passing zone. It's not worth the risk. Luckily, the rider was fine and walked away without any injuries. These riders from Dhaka, Bangladesh, got into an incident that highlights a common issue in many developing countries: overloaded vehicles creating serious hazards in already chaotic traffic. Luckily, nothing serious happened, neither to the bikers nor the people in the overloaded truck. Incidents like this highlight a bigger issue. Overloaded vehicles are a danger to everyone on the road. It's not only up to drivers. Governments need to enforce load limits, like here in the West. Electric bikes are a lot of fun, but here's the thing: they have no clutch, just a throttle. One twist, whether by accident or on purpose, and you are flying. That's something many riders tend to forget. Like this guy, trying to make a sketch with a homeless man, but one twist of the throttle and the bike took off.
Oh, you know what? I forgot my goggles. Hold on. Oh, who is that? Alright, I forgot my goggles. I gotta go get them. Real quick. Here they are. Alright, time to go. Yo, what the? Yo! That's my bike! Yo! You good?
I did it too quick, man. Okay,
it's fine, I'll fix it, but...
What are you trying to do me too quick, bro?
Good.
Oh, I'm sorry, bro.
It's fine.
That's what we get for
That instant power delivery is no joke. If you're not ready, you can lose control and fall off fast.
Wait a minute, what?
Speaking of Surons, these bikes like Talarias turn into beasts when you boost them. But here's the catch: stock brakes can't handle those speeds. If you're cranking up the power, upgrade your brakes, or be ready for trouble. The rider said it was a mix of freezing up and target fixation. In the moment, he thought he was doing everything to turn right, but when he watched the footage, it told a different story. His focus locked onto the fence, and instead of turning away, he went straight into it. Speed is often behind all kinds of crashes, from sliding out in turns to target fixation, just like we see here.
Good. Guys, I went off.
Luckily, the rider was okay, but when you see turn signs, seriously slow down. If you don't, your eyes and your brain might not react in time.
Sounds good. Guys, I went off.
In the US, a survey showed that only 5% of people could accurately identify a truck's blind spots, and shockingly, 80% didn't even know trucks have frontal blind spots. We see the consequences of that in this incident with a rider who had just bought an R1.
Am I hurt, right?
stopped right in front of the truck's cabin, a dangerous move, since that area is their blind spot. Remember, if you can't see the driver in the mirrors, there's a good chance they can't see you either.
Okay? Yeah, he's throwing dirt.
It's gonna go. It's gonna go.
It's going.
A group of riders, including Max, were out enjoying the good weather on a canyon ride through the Angeles Crest Forest near Los Angeles. But throughout the ride, rocks could be seen falling from the hills, a clear warning sign that it was time to ease off the throttle.
No, straight away.
Are you good? Are you okay?
He's fine.
My bag! Open the bag! I got water! Open the bag! Here, water!
Got it. Water with the dirt. Water with the dirt. Get the guy. He's okay. Yeah, he's fine. He's throwing dirt.
It's gonna go! It's gonna go!
It's going. It's going. It's going. Here, can you get it back? Oh, no.
No, you're pouring the gas out!
Get out.
You're pouring the gas out! Bring it back!
Out of there.
Get away from there! Hurry!
Get out.
There we go, the R1's on fire. I ran over a big rock in the middle of the road and just slid out.
His friends were trying to put it out by throwing dirt on it, which can help in some cases. But here's the critical part. If the fire doesn't go out quickly or if you move the bike, stop immediately. That usually means there's a fuel leak, and moving the bike spreads it, making the fire worse and the risk of explosion much higher. If a fire won't go out, the safest move is to walk away. Your life is worth more than the machine.
I was right behind Kitty.
A rider as a passenger was on Interstate 110 while on holiday in Los Angeles, riding a rental bike from Eagle Rider. They were just 12 minutes away from returning it. However, they encountered a road-raging driver who had been tailing them aggressively for miles. That's when the rider hit record on her dash cam, just in time to capture what happened next. Thankfully, both riders escaped without serious injuries, thanks to good gear. But let this be a clear reminder, avoid road rage at all costs. No matter how right you think you are, it's not worth the risk. De-escalate, stay calm, and ride away. That choice might just save your life. A rider in Leesburg, Virginia, was cruising down Highway 15 when he pulled in front of a pickup truck. The driver felt he was cut off, so he decided to get back at the biker. Do you think the biker cut off the pickup truck? Let me know in the comments below.
I'm sorry. Oh, I didn't see you. Like, you can just pull in wherever.
Sir, that guy just tried to run me off the road. That truck. I have it all on camera. Thank you.
The biker told the officer that he was cut off by the pickup driver. The only thing the officer did was to hold the pickup truck back, to let the biker pass freely. In Los Angeles, California, a biker was riding his Kawasaki until panic made him wreck it. The rider panic braked and grabbed the front brake too hard, sending himself over the handlebars. Grabbing the front brake in a panic is a common mistake, especially for newer riders. Instead, apply steady pressure and shift your weight back to keep control. This rider avoided a collision, but still ended up crashing. Thankfully, he walked away unscathed, unlike his bike, which was completely totaled. A biker from the Netherlands hit the highway in the rain, and let's be honest, wet roads and two wheels rarely make a good combo. So be careful in the rain, guys. The rider was okay and walked away thanks to his gear. So always slow down in the rain and never skip the gear. It can make all the difference.
But okay.
Jezus.
Ja.
Ben je oké?
Ja, ik ben...
Two riders from Ohio were cruising near rural towns outside Mansfield when they got pulled over by the police.
What's going on, officer? Yeah, I'm riding with him, so...
But what I'll do is,
Then the town's mayor decided to make a surprise show up.
what you got on it. But look, I'm not going to get you for a record stop. I'm okay. Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, this the mayor right here. Yeah, we seniors.
Oh, you're the mayor?
Yeah, he the mayor.
Nice
yeah,
to meet you,
that's
sir.
Freddie. Yeah.
If you guys keep doing that through town, we're gonna start pulling everybody over. Check your
Man, we come out
check
here in the...
everything else.
I don't run through town. We come out here out in the country. We try to stay out of
You
your
know,
hair.
who just her up and going through
Yeah,
town?
what's this here?
Alright.
Yeah, he wasn't.
I'm just telling you.
Yeah, but
I'm tired of it.
I'm just telling you, I don't go through town, man. I get out here in the country to stay
no,
out
I
of
don't
your hair.
care.
Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and write him. I'm going to go ahead and write him.
Give him a warning, Ray.
Okay, all
But
right. He said
let him know. I mean, all right,
okay,
guys.
yo, this the boss
Really?
guy. Okay, then.
I mean,
yeah, y'all owe him a thank you.
I catch hell,
Yeah.
so I gotta pass it along.
Okay, so this one, give him a warning.
But you know,
Okay.
just don't go crazy, okay?
I appreciate it.
All right.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Yeah, I hear you, man. You have a good one.
All right.
I took the day off and decided to
Hey,
come
y'all
out.
did, and that was, look, I appreciate how y'all pulled over, y'all didn't try to run.
I looked back and I was like, oh man.
Oh yeah, so you know, I was gonna,
I usually see you there, so I ain't trying to give you
oh yeah,
problems.
well
so
y'all know, cause y'all see me down there all the time.
Yeah.
Well, all right then.
I try to be respectful as I can.
I appreciate that.
Like I told him, I try to come out here in the country and
Right,
not
let's have a nice
country
time.
town.
Well, if I need backup, I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna get your muscles. I'm gonna get your muscles.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
You have a good one, sir.
Okay, y'all have a blessed day.
You too.
Yes, sir. You take care.
Y'all be careful. Look, I ain't gonna tell y'all, watch out for them other people. They crazy. They'll run you over. You gotta watch out for the other people.
Yeah.
I mean, look, I love having my motorcycle out, but man, people crazy anymore. So y'all be careful.
No, yeah,
Y'all
I
nice.
understand.
Y'all so know God got a blessing with your name on it.
Thank you.
Thanks for being so nice.
You have a good one, sir. I appreciate it. You gonna pull up the
Y'all
calls, man?
let me know.
All right, thank you.
A biker in Brazil was filtering through traffic, but the moment he changed lanes, everything went south. To avoid this in the future, you should plan your exit in advance. Sudden lane changes across multiple lanes leave little time for others to react. Instead, signal early, shift one lane at a time, and always check mirrors and blind spots. A group of bikers in San Diego, California, were riding together when one of them lost focus and crashed. Fortunately, the biker was able to walk away from the crash with only minor injuries. This rider sent in this clip a near miss on his way home after a long day at work. But as you'll see, he was sitting right in a car's blind spot while making space for a car's merger, being polite. He handled it the right way, stayed calm and in control. He even gave a reference to Dan the fireman, saying, "Ride safe, be safe." Speaking of Dan, he makes some great content, often breaking down moto videos and other motorcycle incidents with detailed feedback and even deeper analysis. Definitely worth checking out if you want to learn and improve as a rider. In Virginia, a biker was heading toward Interstate 15, but he wasn't familiar with the roads. As a rider, it's crucial to take extra caution in unfamiliar areas. When you don't know what's ahead, slow it down. In Long Island, New York, the Bellmore Car show was underway, and police presence was heavier than usual due to often violations at these meets. And this officer suspected this biker was headed there to join the action.
You know what's going on tonight. I know what's going on tonight, right? You gonna talk to me like an adult and tell me that you were going down to that street racing event?
I'm not going to a street racing
Are you just
event.
covered in cameras like this for no reason?
I mean, I do that to like create content, but I'm not like the guy that does like.
You have 1, 2, 3.
This is an audio device.
Huh?
This is an audio device.
Is it approved by the DOT?
I would
It's not.
assume.
I can tell you, anything affixed to the helmet is not. I took the motorcycle enforcement class. I can tell you it's not. You can't have anything that interferes with the helmet. You can't have anything hanging off. Okay?
Okay.
That's the truth. You have to. I'm not a dummy. I know why plates are bent up like that. You're lane splitting. You're risking your life. You're not wearing anything reflective on your shirt. You're not even wearing safe boots. I used to
These
ride
are motorcycle shoes. They're TCX motorcycle shoes. I bought
I
them
used
from
to
Cycle
ride.
Gear.
You're risking your life. You understand that, right? Okay, you can't lane split. You're gonna hand me a PBA card that's a year out of date.
That should be up to 2024. I didn't know that.
2024. Okay. What are we doing? What are we doing? Like, what are we doing here tonight?
I'm riding to Bellmore Car Show.
You're Bellmore Car.
Yeah.
Not down to Vets Highway.
No. You can follow me if you want.
I don't want to follow you though.
I'm being completely honest.
There's a lot of nonsense going on tonight with street racers, okay?
I'm not a street racer.
I don't want you
I can tell you that honestly. I'm not a street racer.
I believe you. I don't want you getting killed by these lunatics. You saw all those highway guys going by?
No.
You didn't see all those cop cars going by?
Oh yeah, that I know.
We're all going to that.
Okay.
So after the light cycle, drive safely, go where you're going to go. Get something reflective on your vest.
Okay.
Drive safely.
Thank you for watching. Please consider to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.